Girls are beautifully complex beings, delicate yet incredibly strong. Our hearts are sensitive, like fragile flowers that bloom with the slightest warmth but can wilt with one harsh word. We feel everything so deeply. Joy, sadness, love, longing, every emotion runs like a river through us. We don't just want to be admired for our looks, we want to be understood, cherished, and respected as full human beings. We dream, we explore, we yearn to discover life's wonders. But most of all, we long for genuine love and care. When a man looks at us, we don't want to feel like an object, we want to feel seen, safe and adored, a soft touch, kind words, and real attention. That's what makes us melt. Respect our feelings, protect our hearts, and you'll have a love so loyal and tender it can light up your entire world. We're not complicated, we just need to feel truly loved. That's our only real requirement. Cherish us, and we'll cherish you back with everything we have.